Hey guys, welcome to the channel. PUBG launched about a month or two ago on Android, and about 2-3 days ago, it finally came to iOS as well. You can play BGMI right now by heading over to the App Store and just searching for PUBG India or BGMI India, downloading it. I have already downloaded the game and been playing it since the last 1 or 2 days. So BGMI in India is now with a very different name. It's called Krafton, and it is a 1.9 GB on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is a pretty sizable game. With this is obviously without data. Once data comes in, the file goes up more. So you will need a considerable amount of storage as well. Apple has been very quick with respect to updates and also game boot ups. So this should be good in this phone. I will be doing comparisons between devices while playing this game, so do stay tuned for that. And before we get into the rest of the video, do subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. So as soon as you start the game, you see a disclaimer, and after that into the game. Now we have obviously the season 1 which is there, and that's what it is showing currently. So all of this is fine. I think once you shift from PUBG to BGMI, this is what they're going to show you. I also have transferred my data from PUBG to BGMI. So whatever you had used to log in your PUBG account, you can use the same thing here and then transfer the data. So everything gets transferred like mine did, and you just saw. Post this, let's just now get into the settings and see how things are. So I have already downloaded the Ultra HD pack, so you need to download that. And obviously the 12 Pro Max supports Ultra HD right now, does not support UHD, and it supports Ultra frame rate as well. So I'm going to enable both of them and restart the game. But apart from that, all the rest of the settings remain the same. So with the settings now according to what I want, which is the highest frame rate and the highest graphics possible, let's now turn off the game and reboot it so that we can get those settings. So before we go into the gameplay, let me also check the settings once again. So we should have the highest graphics possible, which is Ultra HD, and Ultra frame rate as well, so that we get that smooth experience. The iPhone 12 Pro Max does not support high refresh rate, so we do have a 60 Hz panel, but not 120 or 144 like what Android has. And because of which there is no smooth setting in the graphics as well as the frame rate. Everything is restricted to 60, but Apple makes sure that you at least get 60 Hz while gaming. So now let's start the game. The UI is pretty much similar to what we had on PUBG before it got banned in India. And let's get into the match. So in the gameplay, we are going to look for how the graphics are. Are they comparable to what they were in the last game? How is the iPhone dealing with it? Does the iPhone heat up while playing? So while doing the video, or even if I've played before this, I have not seen any heating issues coming with the phone. It is doing pretty well. Apart from that, how is the battery life? Does it drop too much? So we'll look at that also. Just before we get into the game, I will show you the battery life, and then we'll see it after the gameplay is done. I'm not going to play the entire episode here, but some of it at least. So the battery is pretty good, and I have been playing this game, as I said. I have not faced any issues. So currently it is at 38%, and we look at the battery life after say 10 minutes of the gameplay. Also, that Android phones on the other hand have a game mode, etc., which allows you to play uninterrupted games. The iPhone also has something known as focus mode in iOS 15. So this phone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max currently is on iOS 15 beta, and then also I do not face any challenges. But the first time when I played the game, I did feel some frame drops, so little bit of lag here and there, not much, but that is something which is maybe a first run on the game. The game is not so optimized also. Let's go into settings and I will show you what I have done here. So under focus modes, gaming, I already have Call of Duty, so you can also put what apps are allowed notifications, who can call you, etc. So now Call of Duty is already there, and I'm going to add BGMI also. So under apps, just select BGMI and now it shows up. So as soon as you open BGMI, the gaming mode will come on, and same is with when you shut it off, the gaming mode will shut off. So you get uninterrupted gameplay. It doesn't optimize the CPU or anything, but notifications can be very irritating when it comes to gaming. So this is something which is a good feature, and I really think that you should enable it if you are on iOS 15 and whenever it comes out. And we're in the game, so let's look at some gameplay. The settings are the same, so Ultra HD for the graphics and Ultra for the frame rate, so the highest possible settings as well. The entire picture quality and the graphic quality looks really good, and as you can see, the gameplay is extremely smooth, so no problems there as such. The graphics are extremely crisp, as it was in the previous PUBG also. I don't see any challenge in the entire gameplay. It is very smooth, though as I said earlier that when I was playing it for the first time on this phone, there was a certain lag, but now the lag has gone, and I am able to completely play this game without any stutter, so which is very good. I will also do a comparison and check this out on the iPhone 11 and maybe the iPhone 10R also, so that we can see the differences. Let me know if you want me to play this game on the iPhone SE also. We can do that and see how the game is performing. So everything remains the same with respect to how PUBG was earlier and now BGMI, except that a little bit of tweakings here and there. So there are no kills anymore, it says finishes, and the blood icon is now, or the blood graphic is now green in terms of red. Subtle changes here and there, specifically for India. And I will now be fast forwarding the video, so if you want to see it, you can always slow down the video in the YouTube settings and see the gameplay. But we will now skip to the next part where we look at the battery and see if how the phone is and if it has heated or not. So the gameplay ends here, and do let me know down in the comment section if you want me to have live sessions like this, if you want to play with me. Though I'm not so good at playing, but I would love to host a TDM match or a normal match also. Let me know down in the comment section. Also, the phone has performed really well. If you've seen the entire gameplay, then there were no lags or stutters in the entire gameplay. Though I am currently on Ultra HD and Ultra frame rate. Let's look at the battery, what is the damage which it has done onto the battery life. So we started at 38% and we are just 1% down in almost 10 minutes of gameplay, which is, I think, absolutely amazing. And not for a second I have felt the phone heating. So I know 10 minutes is not such a good time to find out, but I have been playing this game and it has been pretty amazing. The battery life really sticks around. You can play, I think, almost 5 to 6 games before you have to plug in the phone. Let me know down in the comment section if you like such videos where I just review games and see how the phone is performing. Though I will do gaming comparisons also, so do subscribe for that. And as usual, thanks for watching.